Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about quotations in HTML. Like we are having 6 types of quotation tags in HTML. So all of these 6 quotation tags we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first we need to create the file called quotations.html. Right? So here I have to type HTML5, right? So then we'll get the basic structure of HTML5, sorry. So here you have to write quotations tags in HTML5, right? So the first one is block code. The first one is block code, right? First one is block code. For example, we are having two p tags. We are having two p tags, and the p tag I will write. So this is all about the block quote tag, and here I will write welcome to quotations class. Right? For example, if I save it and run it, see we got the p tag from starting, and another p tag is also from the starting, which means from the top left, right? From the top left. But in the quotation tag, for example, if I use block quote, right? If I type lorem here, just lorem here, and save it, go to the Chrome and refresh it. See, now we got some space, right? Now we got some space from the left. So this is what indentation. This is what indentation. So when you use block quote, then it will give some space from the left side, right? So to display the content, something from the left, like you're giving some space from the left. So then you have to use this block quote, which just means like it is giving the indentation space. It is giving the indentation space, right? So this is what block quote is. I hope you understand. And I will just right. This is what block quote. And we are having the next one is quote. The next one is quote, right? For example, I will write p tag, right? I'll give p tag, or yeah, p tag. Okay, p tag. Now I will write q tag here. Q tag, right? I will just copy this, and or I'll cut this. I'll place inside the quote tag. Then you'll get some quotes. See, we are getting the double quotes, right? So welcome to the quotations class. Quotations tags class, right? Yeah. Welcome to the quotations tags class. So this is what quotation tags, like when you specify some content inside the quote tag, then it will give some double quotes, that what you have, what the text you have inserted inside the quote tag, right? So this is all about quote tag, right? And we are having the third one is, here one is abbreviation, abbreviation, abbreviation tag, abbreviation tag, right? For example, see, right? is a skeleton. All right, skeleton. Skeleton for the web page. And I will close the p tag, right? I will close the p tag. So what abbreviation tag will give? Like it will give the extra information to the browser. It will give the extra information to the browser. For example, we have inserted HTML, right? But browser don't know what is HTML. So it will give the extra information like what is HTML. So HTML is a hypertext markup language. So I am telling it is a hypertext markup language to the browser by using this abbreviation tag, right? You are giving some extra information about your content in the HTML document, right? Let's save it and refresh it, right? So when you give extra information about the HTML, right, then you will get the some dot like underline dots will appear on the output, right? So this is what abbreviation. It's like you are giving some information about the content which you have specified in the HTML document, right? So I hope you understand what is abbreviation tag. And the fourth one is, address. The fourth one is address. So in the address tag, I will write address, and here I will write some, for example, save it and refresh it. See, the address tag is used to display the address of the author, right? For example, if you want to display some address like door number 42 427, and I will use PR tag here, and after that second street, some address, second cross, second block, right? Some address. It will give the address. It will give the address of the author. Address of the author. So this to display the address, we will use this address tag. So it basically gives the address of the author. So this is what address tag will helpful in HTML5. And the next one is, fifth one is cite. Cite tag, right? So I think we are having the cite tag here, right? So what is cite tags means, like if you want to write something differently, like in the italic form, then you have to use this cite tag, right? For example, I will specify this in this p tag. And the p tag, I will write I am, I am, Iron Man, right? See, it is in the italic form. It is in the italic form. Like to display something differently in the italic form, then you have to use a cite tag, right? Cite tag, right? To display the content differently or italically, then you have to use this cite tag, right? So this is all about cite tag. This is all about cite tag, right? So I hope you understand what is cite tag. And the last one is sixth one, which is bidirectional. overwrite, right? Video, right? For example, see, I have written BDO, so bidirectional override. So direction I'm writing, it should be on to the left to right, left to right. For example, instead of video tag, I will write. So instead of using this P tag, I'll just only use video, right? So in the video tag, I will write welcome to the quotations tags of HTML5. See, if I save it and refresh it here, then it will come in the reverse order, right? From the right to left. See, it's WELCOME. So welcome to the quotations tags of HTML5. Or I can include class, right? So welcome to the quotations tags class of HTML5. So this is what video. For example, if I write, for example, if I copy like this, right? If I paste it like this here, let's copy. Okay, it's coming on the same thing. It is coming like same thing, right? For example, instead of writing like this, I will write my name. So which is ATCHYUP. So which means TUYHCTA, right? Now I will write L and write. See now. See now we are having the same thing, right? We are having the same thing. So what is RTL? It will print the content from the right to left, right to left. Save it and refresh it. So it is printing from right to left, right to left. So its RTL is not working, right? But it is not, it is working from right to left, right? This statement is working from right to left. If I press RLER, let's see, will it print from the, yeah, it's now working. It's now working, right? If I write LTR, it will printing normally left to right, right? See, welcome to the quotation tags class of HTML5. And if I write RTL, and save it and refresh it, see, now it is reverse from right to left. So these are the quotation tags in HTML. So I hope you understand all these tags. And if you have any doubts in this quotation tags class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.